Video title. Creating documents with headings in MS Word.
Adding headings to Microsoft Word documents is incredibly easy. I'll show you how to do this visually, and then we will go over how to do this with keyboard commands and the screen reader on. To demonstrate this, I have an inaccessible document pulled up on my screen, one without any headings marked. Let's first begin by marking the title of this document as a heading at level 1. Remember that there should only be one heading at level 1 in each document, and it is always the title. To mark the title of my document as a heading at level 1, I'll first place my cursor on the title. You do not have to select it. You just have to put that cursor anywhere on the title. Then, up in the ribbon, you can click on Heading 1. If you don't see it up there, make sure that you are in the Home tab of the ribbon. As you can see, once I click Heading 1, the formatting will change. If you'd like to keep the formatting of your title the same, you will instead right-click on Heading 1 to open the context menu, and then click the first option, Update Styles to Match. Now I have my screen reader on. Let's see how to mark a heading at level 1 with key commands. So the first step is the same. I need to place my cursor anywhere within the title. I'll just use my line-by-line reading command and find the title. Once I have found it, I know that my cursor is placed correctly.
Nesting beaches. Funding boosts efforts to cut light pollution. Sea turtles in trouble.
Now, I'll use my key command Control plus Alt plus 1 to mark this line as a heading at level 1. Remember that Control and Alt are modifier keys, so I'll be holding them down while I press the 1 key.
Heading 1 style.
So we've learned to mark a heading at level 1. Now I bet you can guess how to mark a heading at level 2. The process is exactly the same. Remember that headings at level 2 are section titles, so that means you will have as many headings at level 2 as there are sections in your document. To mark a heading 2, you'll first place your cursor on the heading that you want to mark. And visually, instead of clicking on heading 1, you'd be clicking on the heading 2 button. With key commands, instead of Control plus Alt plus 1, you'd use Control plus Alt plus, what do you think? Yeah, it's 2.
Heading 2 style.
Same thing for heading 3, 4, and so on. Look at that, another pattern we've just stumbled upon.
Now remember, your document only has one heading at level 1. Why? Because there is only one title to your document. There are as many headings at level 2 as there are sections to your document. Now, if your document doesn't have sections or section titles, you can always make them.